Okay, boys and girls, now it is time for us to go over and self-assess our daily math review. Alright, so I want you to make sure that you follow along and you're checking your work, giving yourself checks if you got the question correct, and if not, you can always fix it so you know what to do next time, and then give yourself a check. Alright, so let's get started. In the first box it says add 8 more and write how many. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is add 8 more. Okay, so I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many does this show? Right, this shows 18. Did you get that? Make sure you give yourself a check if you did. If you didn't, make sure you fix your work. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. It says, write an equation to represent the tens frame. Okay, so let's take a look at my tens frame. So I know this tens frame, originally it was all filled out. So I know that I would start with 10. And let's see, this is take away. Let me look and see how many are crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these circles are crossed out. So minus 5. And how many are left? Right, 5 are left. So it's 10 minus 5 equals 5. Did you get that? Make sure you give yourself a check if you did. Alright, so for our last box, it says write an equation to show how many. So I have tens and ones here. I know that if there's this long stick, it equals to 10. So you know what? I can start with that. So it's 10 plus, let's see how many ones there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ones. So it's 10 from this long plus the 6 ones, which equals to 16. And this shows 16. Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did. If you didn't, make sure you fix it, and then you could give yourself a check. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the mental math. Follow along and do this as we go. Alright, so for number 1, okay, 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did. Okay, number 2. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Remember, minus means to take away. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Did you get that? Make sure you give yourself a check. Alright, and for number 3, 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. Right, 10 plus 7 equals 17. Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did. If you didn't, make sure you fix it. Alright, great job self-assessing your work.